More men are wearing nail polish, not to show off, but to look clean, confident, and stylish. You don't need a salon. You just need 10 minutes, a few tools, and a bit of patience. Let's start. Step 1. Prep your nails. Wash your hands and make sure your nails are clean and dry. No lotion, oil makes polish peel faster. Lay out what you'll need: base coat, color, top coat, and remover. Good light and good ventilation make everything easier. Step 2. Apply the base coat. Base coat is your foundation. It helps color stick and prevents staining. 1 smooth layer, 3 strokes per nail, middle, side, side. Don't overbrush. If you like changing colors often, use a peel-off base coat. It's quick to remove. Step 3. Pick your color. For a modern, masculine look, try matte black, gray, navy, or forest green. Want a simple clean look? Use clear polish. Dip your brush, make sure it's not dripping, and apply thin, even layers. Thin coats dry faster and look smoother. 2 to 3 coats usually do the trick. Step 4. Add the top coat. Top coat seals and protects your polish. Go for a matte finish if you want a subtle, professional vibe. 1 layer is enough. Step 5. Let it dry. Skip the hot air, it causes bubbles. Use cool air or just let it dry naturally. Patience is your best friend here. Step 6. Clean the edges. Got polish on your skin? No problem. Use a tiny brush or cotton-wrapped stick dipped in remover. Gently wipe along the edges for a clean finish. Common mistakes. Too thick? It'll bubble. Too impatient? It'll smudge. Keep it light and steady, you'll get it right with practice. Final look. Simple. Neat. Confident. You don't need bright colors or fancy designs, just care and intention. Men's nail polish isn't about being flashy. It's about owning your style. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more men's grooming and style tips. Got questions or your favorite polish color? Drop it in the comments below.